In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Google site with ease. Whether you're creating a personal blog, a project site, or an informational page for your team or organization, publishing your site is a crucial step to making your content accessible to others. Let's dive right in and walk through this simple process together. First, you'll need to navigate to your Google site. Once you're there, you'll see your site ready for publishing, displaying all your hard work and creativity. This marks the beginning of your journey to share your content with the world. It's always important to ensure that every aspect of your site is polished and ready for visitors. So, double-check your content, design, and links before moving on to the next step. Now let's move on to the publishing process. Look for the Publish button, usually located in the top right corner of your Google Site Editor. Clicking this button opens up the publishing settings. Here, you'll be given several options to customize how your site goes live. An essential setting to pay attention to is the General Access configuration. This setting determines who can view your site once it's published. For most public sites, you'd want to make sure that the access is set to Public. This ensures that anyone on the internet can view your site without restrictions. However, if you don't see a specific option labeled as General Access, don't worry. In such cases, simply proceed by clicking Save and then Publish. This action will finalize and bring your site live to the public web. Once you've completed these steps, give it a moment as Google processes your request, and just like that, your site is live and accessible for everyone to see. It's always a good idea to personally visit your published site using a different browser or device to make sure everything appears as expected. And that's it. You've successfully published your Google site. This process should now become second nature, allowing you to share updates and new projects effortlessly. Remember, the public setting is best for sites intended for a broad audience. For internal or private use, you may wish to adjust the settings accordingly to keep your information within a selected group. Congratulations on taking your site from concept to reality, and thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher on publishing your Google site. Happy creating, and until next time, keep exploring the possibilities with Google Sites.